exchange proceeds or realization of proceeds on account of sale of goods or export of goods, or at the time of making payment to an indirect exporter or clearing of goods exported, respectively, deduct or collect, as the case may be, advance income tax under this section at the rate of 1% of such foreign exchange proceeds or export proceeds or exports or payment, in addition to tax collectible or deductible under section 154 of this ordinance. Number 14. After subclause 16, the following new subclause shall be inserted, namely 16A in section 149. Number 2. The functions of the Tax Fraud Investigation Wing Inland Revenue shall be to detect, analyze, investigate, combat, and prevent tax evasion and fraud. Number 3. The Tax Fraud Investigation Wing Inland Revenue shall comprise Fraud Intelligence Analysis Unit, Fraud Investigation Unit, Legal Unit, Accountants Unit, Digital Forensic and Scene of Crime Unit, Administrative Unit, or any other unit as may be approved by the Board or the Federal Government. Number 4. The Tax Fraud Investigation Wing Inland Revenue shall consist of a Chief Investigator and as many following officers as may be notified by the Board. A. Senior Investigators, Junior Investigators, or any other officer of Inland Revenue with any other designation. B. A Senior Forensic Analyst and as many Forensic Analysts and Junior Forensic Analysts. And C. A Senior Data Analyst and as many Data Analysts and Junior Data Analysts. 5. The Board may, by notification in the Official Gazette, C. Specify the function, jurisdiction of the Tax Fraud Investigation, Inland Revenue and its officers, and D. Confer the powers of authorities specified in Section 207 upon the Tax Fraud Investigation, Wing, Inland Revenue and its officers in Clause A of subsection 4. 6. Nothing contained in this section shall prevent the authorities appointed under Section 207 and 208 or any other authority or officer conferred with the power of authorities under Section 207 and 208 from conducting prosecution, Part 11 of Chapter 10 of the Ordinance.